Bravo, celebrating with words. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to dive into a very enthusiastic and encouraging word that you might have heard in various contexts. Bravo. Ever wondered why people shout it out after a performance or when someone does something commendable? Let's find out. Bravo is a word borrowed from Italian. It's an exclamation used to express approval, especially of a performance. In its original Italian context, bravo means well done or good. Over time, English speakers adopted this term, and it became a universal way to show appreciation and applause. While bravo is mostly used to appreciate performances like in operas, concerts, or theaters, it's not limited to those scenarios. Here are some instances where you might hear or use bravo. 1. Theatrical plays. At the end of a stellar act, you might hear the audience exclaim, bravo, to appreciate the artists. 2. Musical performances. After a fantastic musical rendition, applauding with a bravo is common. 3. Personal achievements. Someone might say, bravo, to you after you've achieved something commendable, like a challenging task at work or a personal milestone. 4. Casual context. Friends might playfully use bravo to cheer each other on, even for simple tasks like cooking a meal or telling a great story. Did you know? Bravo has variations based on gender and number. 1. Bravo, used for a male performer. 2. Brava, used for a female performer. 3. Bravi, used for multiple male or mixed gender performers. 4. Brave, used for multiple female performers. However, in many English-speaking contexts, bravo has become gender neutral and can be used regardless of the performer's gender. Bravo is more than just a word. It's an expression of admiration, appreciation, and encouragement. So, the next time you want to praise someone for their impressive performance or commendable act, you know which word to use. Remember, language is not just about communication but also about connection. Bravo to all of you for striving to learn more every day. We hope this video has been helpful, and until next time, happy learning!